Hello, and welcome to the recent addition to the Bennett Web Design's WordPress 3.0 tutorials. Today, we're going to learn how to add pictures to your WordPress blog. So let's get started by logging into the WordPress using the password and username provided to you by your site administrator. Once logged in, WordPress will bring you to the main dashboard. Now, there are several areas in which you can add pictures to your WordPress blog. You can either add them directly to your posts or pages that you've created, or you can add them first to your media library. We're going to start off by showing you how to add your picture through either your pages or your posts. So in this case, we're going to create a new post and we're going to add a picture to that post. So to get started, click on the post, the down arrow next to post, click Add New, and we're going to first start off by giving our new post a title. Once you've added a title to your post, tab down to the content box below. Now, if you notice, there's a line right above the content box that says Upload or Insert. There are four different icons. The first one, if you hover over top of it, says Add an Image. The second one says Add Video. Third one says Add Audio. And the fourth one says Add Media. The one that we're going to be concerned about for this moment is the Add Picture button. So go ahead and click it, and it brings up a new menu. Now, if you notice at the top of this new menu, there are three tabs. One says From Computer, second one says From URL, and the third one says From Media Library. Now, the URL is if you want to, if there's a picture on another website that you have access to, you can actually add the URL to that picture and have it pull it into WordPress. Or if this is a picture that you've already uploaded to the media library, you can click on Media Library and it'll show you all the pictures that have already been uploaded into your blog. But for our purposes today, you're going to click on From My Computer. Alright, you're going to click Select Files. Now, if you notice, if you're using WordPress 3.0, one of the nice features that they've added, or they've upgraded, is that in previous versions, there was a file size limit of 2 megabytes. So, if any of you have gotten any of the new digital cameras out there, you all recognize that most of your pictures nowadays that you're taking with these digital cameras are a lot bigger than 2 megapixels, or excuse me, 2 megabytes. So what they've done is they've increased that file size limit to 8 megabytes, which will help you tremendously when uploading pictures. So to get started uploading, click Select Files, and a little box comes up and it takes you to your hard drive. Go out onto your hard drive to find the picture that you wish to upload. In our case, we're already in the directory. All right, I'm going to come down here and pick my favorite seagull picture. And as it's uploading, you'll notice the bar going across the bottom right here, 9%, 10%. It may take a few minutes depending on the size of your picture. Any day now it'll be finished and we'll be able to proceed with adding a picture to your WordPress blog. Alright, now that it's done, just scroll down and there's some information. First of all, it's the title of your picture. Normally, if it's something you're uploading from your digital camera, you don't necessarily want to call it Disk 3018. You'll want to give it a nice new title for everyone to see. So in this case, we're going to rename it Seagull Picture. Alright. I normally copy the same thing to the alternate text. And what the alternate text does is if for some reason the picture does not show up on someone's screen, they will see the words seagull picture. Now, if you want to add a caption to your picture, you can do it so at this moment in time. And what this basically does is within WordPress, and you'll see in a few minutes, it'll actually add a caption underneath your picture. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a caption. All right. If you want people to be able to click on the picture and to be able to download it, you're going to want to make sure that you choose the file URL selection under link. All right. If you select none, nothing will appear, and they will not be able to click on the picture and bring it up and make it larger and be able to actually download it. But for this purpose, we're going to make sure that it says file URL, and this actually gives you the link to the location on the server that you just uploaded your picture to. All right. If you notice under here under alignment, you can click none, left, center, or right. In this case, we're going to center the picture. If you pick full size, it's the full size of the picture that you've uploaded. I normally like to either put a thumbnail or medium size, depending on what you're doing within the post. But in this case, we'll keep it at medium. And when you're done, you just click the Insert into Post button. If you notice, I've entered, the picture's been entered. And if you notice down here, there's the caption. This is my favorite seagull picture. Now go ahead, if you choose to want to add some additional content, you can go ahead and add some additional content at this time to the post. Alright, we're done adding our content. As you remember in previous tutorials, you're going to want to make sure that you either allow comments or don't allow comments. In this case, I'm going to keep allow comments. You're going to want to choose a category. In this case, I'm going to put it under welcome. Really should add a new category at this moment in time. Matter of fact, you know what? Let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on add new category and name it pictures. Alright, going to click add new. And we're going to make sure that pictures is clicked. Now that we're done, we're going to hit publish. When you're done, you can view the post. So if you scroll down, you notice there's the picture. You click on the picture, it makes it large. Alright. Just to go back to the screen you're in, click the back button, and there we are. That's all there is to adding pictures to your WordPress blog.